going to explain my expense tracker application, a full stack project designed to help users manage and monitor their personal finance efficiently. This app allows users to track their daily expenses, categorize them, set monthly budgets, and analyze their spending patterns using interactive reports and charts. This expense tracker is built using the MERN stack, which stands for MongoDB Express React and Node.js. The first step for any user is registration and login. So I am registering as a new user, and for the registration we require full name, email address, password and the confirm password. See, I am registered as a user. Once I register, users can log in after a successful login. A JW token is generated to maintain a secure section. So we will sign in. So this is our expense tracker dashboard. In this, we have here the total expenses this month and last 7 days, average daily and spend by category, daily expenses and budget status and recent transactions and budget alerts. In expenses, user can track their expenses includes fields like amount, description, category and date. We will add an expense. So what did you spend on? Like vegetables. So amount we spent $20, and the categories we can categorize them based on the difference. So how food, transportation, housing, utilities, entertainment. So the date we spent. So after the expenses is added, so we can see here we can add extra expenses and we can export them and we can show by the filters. We can filter them based on the categories, so from date to date and the minimum amount to maximum amount. So we can also export the file to the CSV or the PDF. So now we can add the budget. So how much budget we have in this month? So like $200, and the category we have chosen like education. So add budget. So like that we can add the budgets. And we can edit our budgets and delete our budget. We can edit our expense and delete our expense. So in the dashboard we can see total expenses and this month and from the last 7 days the average daily per day. So we can use it $1.82 per day. So this is the graph and the budget alerts. So we can see recent transaction. In settings we can see the account information, so name and email, and as well as we can export the data from start date to end date. So we can export as PDF as well as CSV. So it is the data management. So we can see how one expenses and zero budgets. So we can clear all the data. So this is about the expense tracker. Thanks for the watching.